epic intro made by I'm probably going to get this wrong. remibrandtcom. They provide free Adobe After Effects templates and free Cinema 4D templates, and I'll link to them in the description. Right, Pokemon Online. Yeah, this will be a small guide on what to do with it, how to use it, etc., etc. So, first thing you need to do is go to a website. It's www.pokemon-online.eu if you want to. And already you can see they're visually stunning. Yeah, they brag about that factor quite a bit, but it really is. Challenge others, yeah, blah blah blah. So what you need to do is go to downloads, Internet Explorer is slow, and download your client, Windows, Linux, whatever you have. You can even create a server. I'm not sure how to create a server, so I can't do that. Yeah, so penguin background is win. So once you've downloaded and installed it, you'll have a folder that looks like this. And something really interesting that I found that I thought was awesome was you go to DB and oh my god, flipping people talking to me on the other computer. Go away. Trainer sprites. Other people won't see it unless you send them the image, but I believe that these ones here are put in there purely so that you can edit them and put your own trainer in, which is pretty damn cool. And you can even change the Pokemon and things like that. So it's very customizable, which is a good thing. So let's open up Pokemon Online. Give it a bit of time. Oh, look, Camtasia Studio. Go away. So let's go straight into this. Team Builder is what you're going to need to go into first. As you can see, I've already made a team, so I'll just make a new one. Right, yeah. So first thing you need to do is make your trainer's name. So we'll make this test account. I said test. Oh, for God's sake. Now the keyboard isn't working. Let's try this again. Test account. Yeah, there we go. Color. This is what color your name shows up on servers. So we'll change that to magenta because win. Trainer information. People don't often read this apparently. Mine says NU Battler. OUs challenge me all the time, but you can put anything in there. Winning message. This is what shows to the other person and to yourself as well a small message when you win. You could just change put down good game because you're lazy or something, and losing message pretty much the same. Now here's one of the most useful features if you don't want to go through what I'm going to show you next. Import from text. In Shoddy Battle, I don't know about Net Battle, you go into the Team Builder window and you go to Tools, I believe it is. I can't show you because I haven't got it on this computer. But Tools, Export to Text or TXT, and copy everything that's in there and paste it in here. And it'll automatically build your team from that. So yeah, your team is awesome because they have missing gun. No. So we'll just do Solrock. Yeah. So Solrock is now our first Pokemon. And so first thing that we want to do is we want to open Advanced because we're not noobs, we know what to do. Do it inside window because it just looks a lot better. And now we have this next to us, and this lets us set our EVs. I'm not sure what it says, GVs. You can choose your gender, the ability, and happiness. If you have a move like Return, you want to put on 255 for that. So just put that up to the max. And Frustration, I believe it's called, for 0. That could be for funny teams. Shiny. You can change the sprites, as I said, in the folders, but we're not going to do that because I can't sprite. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll have your items. I'm not sure why I'm giving him an Adamantore, but there we are. Yeah, you can choose your moves, and you just click on this, and you can even type it in. So like Baton, Baton Pass. And I'm not even sure if it learns Baton Pass, but let's go down and see. Baton Pass is a B. Why am I scrolling down? yeah, so there we have atom paths, and you can just double click cosmic power, earth power. So yeah, that's how you set your moves. And now for your EVs and stuff. So I'm not even sure what those do. Ah, that's really good. I didn't even know you could do that. Set your natures simply. That's incredible. I didn't even know it did that. So we want Solrock and we want it to be plus attack and minus special attack. You just do that. Simple. You can drag these. Set your EVs maximum. And on the right here, it will show you what value you put in. You can just type it in, and over here it shows you what that value becomes. I keep typing on this keyboard here. There's like 3 keyboards I have out. Yeah. Hidden power type is over here. Alternate forms. I haven't managed to do that yet. But that should be interesting. Also, in the team builder window, you have a Pokédex. This gives you information on all of them. For some reason, that advanced window stayed open. Box. This is where you can just quickly change what Pokemon you have in there. You can just drag that down, store that, drag that down, store that, blah 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 blah. And yeah, and if you want to quickly make a team, you can just drag them back in. Right, so now you have a team, you need to save the team. So we'll just call this ForeTut. Too many keyboards! And it's got a proper file type rather than Shoddy Battle. It's just generic file with no extensions, and there's plenty of boxes. And so rather than clicking on the X, because you'll have to load it up again, really, you just click right. Well, it should have popped up. So let's open this again. And now we have these, we go online. Why do you think just go into the middle of the server, the theme property server? Right, I'm going to go on the beta server because that's the most common one for now. It'll connect you to the server, it takes quite a while. And now you're in the server, and if we scroll down and find a test account, we have magenta pink as our thing. The Pokeballs, someone explained it to me. Grey is away, red is normal, and blue are waiting for a battle. You can click find battle, and it comes up with this. You can force rated battles, force same tier. One of the brilliant things is this. This shows up. It shows a never used tier because Solrock is never used. And that shows when you go into a challenge window or just challenge this random person, making you famous. It shows up there. I'm not sure why that person has 6 Mews. If any of them have Giga Impact, I'm going to hunt him down. Oh, look, he's typing in the main chat. So you can type into the main chat. Wait. And yeah, register. Now this is if you want to keep your name yours. Oh, look, he challenged me. No. Register. And this pops up with a little window where you can put in a password, and that means that whenever someone logs on with the same name, they have to put in your password. And obviously, if you set the password, you can get in there, unless you suck and your password's really bad. I'm just going to quickly check how much time we've made on this because I've got to be under 11 minutes. Yeah, style, this is just really for menu things. I go for plastique because it looks really clean. Options, go away, that sets you to away. Show team. Now, if you haven't got this clicked, then if you have it open, if you have show team on, then when people challenge you in your battle window, that'll be on. Enable ladder, that's pretty self-explanatory, it lets you be on the ladder. Show player events, that shows in the main chat here, if people are logging in, logging out, winning battles. Show timestamps, if I turn that off, someone should talk. That just gets rid of the timer, as you can see. But I like having that on for proof when someone annoys me. Battles, save battle logs, so you can save the text that shows in a battle log. Play music and sounds is really awesome. It's got the cries and battle music to the game, and you can change the music folder to make your own animated HP bars, elongate the battle somewhat for the animation, but it doesn't really make a difference. I don't really need to make a tutorial on battling because it's pretty self-explanatory, but that's how you install, make a team, and get stuff done. So yeah, I hope that helped some people learn what it is. And see you later, guys. Penguin!